Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 24 Area and Perimeter Exercise 24F question number 10. This is the given figure shows 4 identical quadrants in a square. Find area of the shaded part. Now, this question we have to see very carefully that basically in a square 4 quadrants have been made. And what is a quadrant? One quadrant is 1/4 of a circle. That means if I divide circle into 4 parts, one part out of that will be called a quadrant. And also keep this thing in mind, a circle is made up of 4 quadrants. Now see here that what is given to us. See, 1 quadrant, 2 quadrant, 3 and 4, right? Like this, all of them have been made in a pattern, right? You can see it's some kind of a pattern only. And one more thing is that this thing is shaded. The part of the quadrants is shaded. That means we do not have to find area of anything else, but we have to find the area of the 4 quadrants. Second thing is what here it's saying is 4 identical quadrants. Identical means what? That identical means that all the quadrants are same. Their dimensions are same. That means the radius in all of them is same. Now this has made it very easy for us. See how? I'm going to write one thing here and say 4 quadrants equal to 1 circle, right? 1 complete circle. This thing we have to keep in mind. See that 1 quadrant will be like this, another quadrant, the second one, now third quadrant, okay, third quadrant, and at last 4 quadrants. 4 quadrants will make a circle somehow like this. This isn't a circle, but it will come out like a circle only. Okay, so this thing we have to keep in mind. Now if I have to find area of 4 quadrants, I will find area of 1 quadrant and multiply that by what? 4. That will give me area of 4 identical quadrants. But what if I just simply take out the area of the entire circle? That will reduce my time and also it will take less effort to solve the question, right? That is why we will take out area of the entire circle rather than 4 quadrants. What we do in 4 quadrants? See, pi r square. This is for the entire circle. Now for 1 quadrant this will become 1 by 4 pi r square, and same thing you'll do, you'll multiply it by 4 and everything. That will make it a lot more tedious task. A lot of effort will be required to solve that. So why simply just calculate area of the entire circle and that will be your answers, right? Now that is what we'll do. So radius. Now first radius, this is also very important. How to find the radius here? See, it is given 20 centimeters here. That is length of what? The square. Okay, and this side of the square, you can see in the middle only there is a line. If we can make an imaginary line like this, right? So this line is in the middle, and besides this there is 1 quadrant, and to the right of it there is another quadrant. So it is in the middle. That means to the other side there will be half of 20 here, and here will be half of 20, 10, right? So radius will become 20 total, and then divide it by 2, right? So that will be what? So sorry, don't divide 20 by 2 here. Once again, right? So radius will simply become 10 because we don't know that 20 is the diameter or not, right? So see here that 10 centimeter becomes the radius. Why? See again, 20 and again 2 quadrants are there, and both of them will separate it in the middle. They are being separated in the center of 20. That is 1 half here, 1 half here, 10, 10, right? So radius becomes 10. So area will also become what? Pi r square. Pi we have to take 3.14. So 3.14 into r square, square of the radius, 10 into 10, 3.14 into 100, right? That is what? Move the decimal 2 places, so 314 square centimeters. This becomes our answer. Fine. And friends, this is all for today. Let's move on to the And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and